Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you Subnautica 2 save file and config file location if you own the game on Xbox app or Game Pass. So first of all, we need to open File Explorer. Under it, go to C drive. Then we need to open users folder. Under it, select your name folder. So it is admin in my case. Then we need to select app data folder. If you can't find the app data folder for some reason, then we need to go to view, and under show we need to check mark hidden items and then go inside app data folder. Under it, select local folder, and now we need to scroll down here until we find folder called packages. So here it is. Open this folder and then we need to go to unknown folder. So scroll down and you will find unknown word entertainment folder. Select it. Inside it, go to system app data folder. Now go to WGS. Then select this folder and you will find all of your save files. Now in order to find the config folder, we need to go to this PC. From the drives, we need to select C drive. Then go to users folder. Now go to your name folder. After that, we need to go to app data folder. Again, if you can't find it, go to view and check mark hidden items. Then we need to go to app data folder. Under it, go to local folder. From these folders, we need to select Subnautica 2. Under it, go to saved. After that, go to config folder. Under it, select WinGDK folder. After that, open game user settings. So this is your config file. You can open it. Also, if you go back to the saved folder, you will find save games. Inside this folder, you can also find your save games file. So this is the file location. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.